My name's Scott from SJR. Today we're going to deconstruct these Caterpillar boots and put them to the test. Took a while, didn't it? You see how hard it was to get through that steel toe cap? It's important that it's got it though, because on site we're working with heavy blocks, heavy machinery, and it keeps us nice and protected. It's super thick, durable. It's even got the metal plate inside to protect you from any nails and whatnot lying around on site. But also, they look the part.
We're going to run it over.
Good as new.
Yeah, it's better on a digger.
Tuck it under the boot. Let's just have a fair few ton pushed against that, and he's still good as new. Perfect.
Now we're going to test the steels and see how strong they are. Raise the toes, that's alright.
It's like an SJR foot massage. Solid.
Now we're going to hit it as hard as we can and let's see what happens. Bearing in mind we've got down to the toes, but let's be fair, they've had about 15 good whacks there. So they've held up pretty good, to be fair. Here we go, Ashley Babs, try and get your foot back in that.
Look at them, good as new.